This is a frame-off restoration, 1957 Chevy Sedan delivery wagon. Frame-off restoration. It has a tubal frame with a big block 871 blower. It's for sale or trade. I like trading cars also. Everything's new on the car, guys. Like I said, frame-off restoration. The car drives perfect. For sale or trade, guys, give me a call. 954-937-8271. Visit my website, CadillacDream.com. That's www.CadillacDream.com. This is a brand new car. All new, guys. I got the book here of the restoration, how this vehicle was restored. That comes with the car. I got an extra belt here. Car is brand new, freshly built. Frame-off restoration, guys. For sale or trade, give me a call, 954-937-8271. Also got a Nomad 55, fully restored. That's a small block 350 with a 671 blower. Visit CadillacDream.com. This car, I'll trade this car. Show me what you have. Email it to me. byndSL@AOL.com. byndSL@AOL.com. Show me what you got. Maybe we could do a trade. I got a lot of cool stuff here. www.CadillacDream.com. I take all kinds of trades, except your wife and your mother-in-law. I'll trade just about anything. Got a little GTO here, 66. 389, 242 code, 4-speed. The real deal, guys. Give me a call with the offer. 954-937-8271. I got a 40-foot trailer there with a rig. You can see it at CadillacDream.com. Got a little flatbed. Got a little mystery machine. I'll trade it. Got a little hot rod with a 392 Hemi. I'll trade that. 954-937-8271. I trade up or down. Beautiful 40 Chevy with a 350 air conditioning restored, perfect condition, turnkey car. Got a Maserati. I'll trade up or down. Quadruport. Military motorcycle. from Russia. I shipped this in from Russia. I'll trade you up or down. Yeah, I got a beautiful 62 Cadillac for sale or trade. Give me a call, 954-937-8271. Got a whole bunch of El Caminos back there. Visit CadillacDream.com, CadillacDream.com to get information on all these cars. Mustang 65, 289 4-speed. I trade up or down, guys. 954-937-8271. Give me a call right now, we'll make a deal. This is a fully restored, fresh restoration on a 57 Handyman wagon with a big block and a blower. This car is breathtaking. Anywhere you take it, it will win you trophies. Thank you for looking, guys. If you have any questions, give me a call at 954-937-8271. I trade up or down or sideways, however you want to do it. What you have, give me a call. We'll try to make it work. Thank you. My name is Alex.